to download and install Nvidia graphics drivers on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. Open your web browser on a device. Using the search bar at top of the screen, type in Nvidia. You will land on the result page. Simply click on the first link of Nvidia. Now click Products at top left corner and select GeForce graphics card. Now select Support from top right corner of the section. Click on Drivers. Then you will reach on the GeForce Drivers page. Now here you can click on Download Now. But before that, here is Manual Driver Search. You simply need to enter your product type, product search series, product, operating system, language, and download type. In case if the automatic tool doesn't work for you, you will need to search for drivers manually. So first of all, you need to know what graphic card you have. For that, you need to click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner and search for System Informations and open it. Now from this section, you simply need to search for Components at top left corner and click on it. Now here you need to select a subcategory. But before that, choose the Display option. And your graphic card information will appear at the top. For example, it might show something like Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060. Here it is Intel RUSD graphics 620. Now you land on this section where on the product type you need to simply click on the drop down menu and click on GeForce. And now on this product series, again click on this drop down. And here you need to search for your graphic card's name. And now on this operating system, you simply need to add your operating system. You can select your operating system, example Windows 11. And here you need to select the convenient language and you need to choose the download type and leave it to all. And now you need to click on Start Search. And it will take a few time. You need to simply download the correct drivers. After the search completes, you can scroll down the driver results and click on Get Download button. Now here you will land on this GeForce Game Ready driver section. And make sure that it is the latest version, usually the top driver, and click on the Download Now button again at top right corner of the screen. Now the exe file will get ready to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you can click on the top right corner download icon and get the file. Now you simply need to open the exe file and double click on it. It will take a few time to load and to open. After that, you simply need to choose the extraction path by clicking on Yes button. And now you need to wait for the file to save on your computer. When complete, the driver installation will start. So currently you can see that no Nvidia GPU is detected on my system, but if graphic driver could be or finds compatible graphics hardware, then you can simply install it on your device. For that, you'll have two installation options. One is the express installation. You can install all drivers and keep your current Nvidia settings. The other is custom installation, allows you to choose what drivers to install and offer the option to perform a clean installation. To reset all Nvidia settings to default. For a fresh start, you can choose custom install and select perform a clean installation and click the next and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installation is complete, you will see installed under the status tab and you have to click on the close button to finish. So if this worked for you, then you can simply download and install Nvidia on your Windows 11. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.